Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Robert,
And I'm Kenyatta.
and this is Keeping It in Context. Look, the truth is, we don't care what you believe or why you believe it. That's not the question. The real question is, how are you coming to these conclusions?
Just keep it in context.
Man, that must have thought we were playing around or something. Nah, this something we serious about. This something we really take our time and just actually do. It's a craft.
Just keep it in context.
Following the process, take the faith. Conquest, yeah. This a get to heaven contest. Keep it going, digress, listen close, digest. Robert and Kenyatta keeping it in context. Turn your whole life with your wishing, searching and looking for wisdom. Then tune into the show for some good comprehension. Keeping it real, not to mention giving you substance and vision. Trying to help you move into your new goal subdivision. Following the process, take the faith. Conquest, yeah. This a get to heaven contest. Keep it going, digress, listen close, digest. Robert and Kenyatta keeping it in context.
That must have thought we were playing around or something. Nah, this something we serious about. This something we really take our time and just actually do. It's a craft.
You still here? Why are you still here? Go right now to YouTube. Go to Keeping It in Context. That is our new YouTube page.
Go immediately and don't forget to hit the alert to make sure that we and you are always keeping in touch with each other.
Just go now.
Go now.
Real talk.
Yes. It was so hard.